Hey love! Today I wanted to show you Voodoo Priestess makeup. This is a super easy and fun Halloween makeup look that you can totally do as a last minute. A cool twist on the classic sugar skull makeup. All you need is just pair with black dress or skirt and a ton of jewelry with this makeup on. Firstly, apply this primer for glowing, smoothing, hydrating and blurring imperfection part. Followed by foundation for flawless makeup and long-lasting effect. Don't forget to apply some on your neck area too. Apply some loose powder all over the face to set the makeup. As I'm going to create a flirtatious Voodoo Priestess makeup look, I choose to apply pink color eyeshadow on the outer corner of the eyes, orange color eyeshadow on the middle lid, and yellow color eyeshadow on inner lid. Blend the harsh line with some dark brown color eyeshadow on the crease area. Highlight the brow bone with shimmering eyeshadow and apply some on the tear ducts too. To give a dimensional effect, add on black color eyeshadow. Blend it towards the lower lash line too. Apply glitter shadow along the lower lash line. Then apply super long wing eyeliner. Put on the false lashes according your preference. Depend how dramatic you want. Apply few layers of mascara to make it more volume on upper and lower lashes. Reapply the glitter eyeshadow. Define your brow with black eyeliner as eyebrow pencil and create the shape you want. I use the Character FX palette. Apply few strokes of the red color under eyes to cheekbone, followed by white color below the red color. Create some voodoo U-shaped symbol on the lip and side of mouth with black color line. Besides that, apply 4 dots as pen from small to big next to the mouth. Use pencil eyeliner dot as guideline, then darken it with liquid eyeliner. Apply blue line under the lip is a perfect color match for this makeup look and a Colourpop effect. Create the pitch black on the nose to crease the skull effect. V-shape on the forehead. Touch up the V-shape with some pencil brightener. Apply 2 white dots on the nose bridge. Apply dark red lipstick on your lip to finish the look. I'm done! Thank you for watching this video and hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Happy Halloween! Please subscribe my channel and check out my others video. Bye!